Imagine waking up tomorrow to a world completely changed. No polar ice caps, no glaciers, no frozen mountaintops. Every single piece of ice on Earth, gone. Sounds like science fiction, right? But what would actually happen if all the ice melted? Let's take a look into a future that could reshape our planet forever. The first and most obvious consequence? Rising sea levels. If all the ice on Earth melted, global sea levels would rise by more than 65 meters. That's over 200 feet. Entire coastal cities, New York, London, Shanghai, Mumbai, Sydney, would vanish beneath the waves. Countries like the Netherlands, Bangladesh, and entire island nations would disappear completely. Over 1 billion people would lose their homes, forcing the greatest human migration in history. Without ice to reflect sunlight, the Earth would absorb far more heat. This is called the albedo effect. Temperatures would skyrocket, deserts would expand, and the melting itself would release trapped greenhouse gases like methane from the Arctic permafrost, speeding up global warming even more. Our planet would become hotter, wetter, and far less predictable. The disappearance of ice would trigger mass extinctions. Polar bears, penguins, walruses, all gone. But it wouldn't stop there. Entire ecosystems would collapse. Rising oceans would flood forests and wetlands, destroying habitats for countless species. And yet, some life would adapt. New coastlines would form. New shallow seas would appear. Nature always finds a way, but not the nature we know today. It's not just about land loss. Agriculture would suffer as fertile regions become deserts. Fresh water supplies from glaciers, vital for billions of people in Asia and South America, would disappear. Economies would crumble. Nations would fight over shrinking resources, and humanity would be forced to rethink how and where we live. Floating cities, underground shelters, colonizing Mars, all of these could go from science fiction to survival strategies. Here's the twist. All of Earth's ice won't melt overnight. Scientists predict it could take thousands of years for all of it to disappear naturally. But with human-driven climate change, parts of this nightmare could happen much sooner, within just a few centuries. So the real question is, are we already setting this chain reaction in motion? And if you enjoyed this journey into one of Earth's biggest what-ifs, don't just keep it to yourself. Hit the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more mind-bending questions about our planet and the future of humanity. Because trust me, this is only the beginning.